So today I am going to show you a small tutorial of switching between two scenes in OBS. This is very simple. You just need to go to the file. You just need to go to settings. Then you should go to the hotkeys. Then scroll down. So after coming to the hotkeys, you can see the scene and scene 2. Here is my scenes. The scenes, like, let me show. Here is my scene 1 and scene 2. So we will have to set the hotkey here. For the scene, I will set as F1, and for scene 2, I will set as set 2. And then I will click on apply and then on OK. So I'm on scene now. To switch to the scene 2, I will just click on F2. Here you can see I have switched to the scene 2. So this is how you can easily switch between the scenes in OBS. I hope this video is very useful for you. Please don't forget to subscribe, share and comment in this video. So we would post a lot of video like this. So thank you. We will see you in the next video.